Welcome to the Papyrus Business Designer video series on adaptive case management. This video series shows how ACM is used to design, enhance, and execute value streams that represent a variety of business applications and processes. It offers a unique and comprehensive feature set that covers everything needed in a business on a daily basis. Value stream administrators design and manage all sorts of value streams. Using a goal-oriented approach, they enable workflow designs that can also handle unforeseen events. Compliance is guaranteed due to business rule definitions. The integrated content management system gives access to omni-channel communication with versioning. Using Papyrus Business Designer, they create value streams from reusable components stored in the built-in library. Clerks execute value streams in their daily work using the Papyrus client and work with cases to efficiently reach defined goals. Supervisors give their OK when crucial decisions are needed and approve steps that go beyond the responsibility of clerks. All this can be done on a desktop, in a browser, and on mobile devices. Managers have a variety of reporting possibilities at their disposal and can get in-depth analytics of any given open or finished value stream. In this video, we will focus on value stream design. Let's have a look at the repair service management company Fair Repair and how easy it is for value stream administrators to design new workflows with Papyrus Business Designer. ACM maps any given structured or unstructured process into visually separate, goal-oriented chunks. A trigger event, started by a customer call reporting a broken air conditioning unit, initiates a repair service value stream case. First, requirements need to be determined, then a service team is to be assigned, and optionally, required material needs to be ordered. In the library, you find different elements and building blocks like goals, participants, processes, and tasks to choose from. Goals need to be achieved to be able to close the case in the end. Several participants from different departments are involved that need to be defined. For some goals, processes have to be defined to guide the clerks through the execution of different tasks. Let's see how Administrator Bob builds the process Define Requirements by defining different task templates with connections between them. In the process Finalize Working Order, he sends an order confirmation document from the correspondent solution library that is automatically sent to the customer once the process is finished. Additionally, he maps the value stream data into the document variables, which will be used in the personalized document. Furthermore, he defines rules in natural language to guarantee compliance with regulations and laws. In this case, he needs to make sure that certain fields, like the finishing date of a working order, are filled out before other tasks can be done. In addition, adaptive case management goes beyond the design and execution of business processes. ACM offers omni-channel communication with true cross-channel collaboration capabilities, allowing you to communicate across multiple channels and devices. The value stream design is now finished. In the next video, we will focus on executing a value stream.